So welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see the installation of MySQL. We are going to install MySQL software. Okay. MySQL software, we are going to see the installation of the MySQL software. So let us go without wasting any time. Let us go to the browser. Let us go to our favorite browser, Chrome, and we'll just search here, download MySQL server. Download MySQL server for Windows. I will click this and I will go to the first link, that is from the dev.mysql.com. Okay. We'll go to the first link and we'll click download my community server. There are two ways you can download. You can download by offline downloads and you can just configure your path manually, or else I will ask the Microsoft only to do this for me. I will just select one MSI installer. I will click this. It is just 2 MB file. You just need to click no thanks, just start my download, because this may access your login and passwords, not required. You just need to click no thanks, just start my download. If I click this, I'll get this MySQL MSI installed. I need to just double click this file. It will just make my system ready for the MySQL server to be installed. Okay. There are two ways you can install. Either you can make it developer default, or you can install full, or you want to install customized version. You can do all the ways. I will just make it developer default. Let it be. MySQL's not required. Let us just next. Execute. It will just download all the things which are required. Okay. It will download all the servers, all the workbench, cells, routers, and all these things. They will be required, downloaded. Okay. Automatically. Just give it some time and it will make all the things ready. What are the things it is installing means? If I just show you, it is installing few things which are necessary. Which is necessary means, for us MySQL server is necessary and MySQL workbench is necessary. Other things are optionals. They are just for the connectors for different languages. You need to connect them. They are the connectors for the different languages. Okay. All are downloaded. This is documentation is not downloaded. Let us again start this. Okay, it is downloading. Okay, the above one is like, I believe it is a large file, so it's taking long time. Let us wait for it download and we'll next move. Okay. After these all status are downloaded successfully, then we need to move to the next step. Okay, it is saying that, okay, ready to install. I need to just click execute. It will start installing them. Just now we have downloaded them. Now we are installing them in my system. Okay. It will install all the things as required. See, it is installing. It has installed MySQL server. Install MySQL server. Now it is installing MySQL workbench. It's 99% installed. Okay, let us give it some time so that it can install all the things, and we'll come back when it is already installed. So now we are back. All these things has been installed successfully in my computer now. Let me just click next, next, and then you can keep them as usual. This is your port where your software will be running. Next, let us click next. You need to use this strong password encryption for authentication. We used to use this on the 5-point versions, but now we are using version 8 and more. So we are going with the recommended version. Clicking next. So you need to create the users here. So I will just write the password as root. I will not write any complex password. I will just write ROOT. User is also root, but password is weak. Let it be, so that it is easy for me to remember. You can add users if you want to add different users, but I just want to go with the same user. Okay. Standard time. Okay. Let us execute these files so that users will be created. It is initializing databases, starting the servers, all the things it will do automatically. Okay. All the things are done. Now we can click finish. Okay. Now we can say that MySQL has been installed. When I click here, see, you can just see these three things: MySQL client line, MySQL cell, and if I just search for MySQL workbench, if I just search for workbench, you can also see workbench is also installed here. Okay, workbench is also installed here in this system. So this is the installation of MySQL. You can get the installation. This is the installation of the MySQL. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.